Welcome back to another episode of Current Affairs MCQs. Staying updated with current affairs is essential for success in any competitive exam. Let's discuss today's questions on recent happenings around the world. Which of the following statements is correct regarding the department-related standing committees, DRSC, in the Indian Parliament? A. DRSCs are established by the Speaker of the Lok Sabha to discuss and deliberate on matters related to the functioning of various ministries. B. Each DRSC is assigned to a specific ministry or department and performs functions related to scrutinizing its budget, policies, and programs. C. The DRSCs are formed every year before the beginning of the budget session. D. The chairman of each DRSC is appointed by the President of India. Option B is correct. DRSCs are assigned to specific ministries or departments, example Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Defence, etc., and their primary function is to examine and scrutinize the budget, policies, and programs of these ministries. They play a key role in ensuring that public funds are spent efficiently and that ministries are held accountable. Consider the following with reference to the Bandung Conference, 1955. 1. A major objective of the conference was to promote Afro-Asian economic and cultural cooperation. 2. It was attended by countries from Asia, Africa, and Latin America. 3. The conference emphasized non-alignment and peaceful coexistence in international relations. How many of the above are correct? A. Only 1. B. Only 2. C. All 3. D. None. Answer. B. 1 and 3 only. Statement 1 is correct. The Bandung Conference, held in Indonesia in April 1955, was primarily convened to bring together newly independent Asian and African nations. One of its core aims was to promote Afro-Asian economic and cultural cooperation and to strengthen solidarity among post-colonial nations. Statement 2 is incorrect. The Bandung Conference was attended by 29 countries, only from Asia and Africa. Latin American countries were not part of this conference. The focus was on Afro-Asian unity, as these regions were emerging from colonial rule. Statement 3 is correct. The conference strongly emphasized principles such as respect for sovereignty and territorial integrity, non-intervention, peaceful coexistence, and opposition to colonialism and neocolonialism. These laid the ideological foundation for the later non-aligned movement, NAM.